guys, it's Macy.
It's Cynthia.
And today we're going to do a DIY about gas laws.
So before we get started, let's talk about the 10 vocab terms so you could be more informed.
First one is gas pressure is the result from the force exerted by a gas per unit surface area of an object due to the collisions of gas particles with an object.
Vapor pressure is a measure of the force exerted by a gas above a liquid in a sealed container.
Particle pressure is the contribution each gas in the mixture of gases makes to the total pressure.
Atmospheric pressure is the pressure exerted by atoms and molecules in the atmosphere surrounding the Earth, resulting from collision of the particles with objects.
Diffusion is the movement of molecules or ions from a region or higher concentration to a region of the lower concentration until the concentration is uniform throughout.
Effusion is the process that occurs when a gas escapes throughout a tiny hole in its container.
Stability is the measure of how much the volume of a matter decreases under pressure.
Barometer is an instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure.
Kinetic theory is a theory explaining the state of matter based on the concept that all matter consists of tiny particles that are constant motion.
Combined gas laws is a law that describes the relationship among the pressure, temperature, and volume of an enclosed gas.
So now we're going to show you how the gas laws are used.
As you can see here, there are 6 equations to be learned.
Boyle's law, where P is the pressure and V is the volume of a gas, and this is not the same as the proportionality constants in the other equations. This is the equation of Boyle's law.
Avogadro's law states that the volume occupied by an ideal gas is directly proportional to the number of molecules of the gas present in the container. This gives rise to the molar volume of a gas.
Charles' law is where V is the volume of a gas and T is the absolute temperature, which is not the same as the proportionality constants in the other equations.
The combined gas law, or general gas equation, is obtained by combining Boyle's law, Charles' law, and Gay-Lussac's law. It shows the relationship between the pressure, volume, and temperature for a fixed mass.
Gay-Lussac's law is where P is the pressure and T is the absolute temperature.
Graham's law states that the rate at which gas molecules diffuse is inversely proportional to the square root of its density. Combined with Avogadro's law, this is the same as the beginning inversely proportional to the root of the molecule weight.
Okay, so those are the equations, and now here are some examples of how to use those equations.
So some examples is for scuba diving, or for you to be able to blow up balloons, or even used for hot air balloons.
In Boyle's law, doubling the pressure on a gas halves its volume, as long as the temperature of the gas and the amount of gas aren't changed. For example, the bubbles exhaled by a scuba diver grow as the approach of the surface of the ocean. The pressure exerted by the weight of the water decreases with depth, so the volume of the bubble increase as they rise. Also, deep sea fish die when brought to the surface. The pressure decreases the fish brought to the surface, so the volume of gases in their body increases and pops bladder cells and membranes. So that's all we have today, guys, and make sure you give a big like and subscribe.
We post videos every week, and we hope you like it. Bye!
Bye! So these are our works cited for the gas laws.